Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see basic load rating. It is also called dynamic load rating. Whenever the bearings are generally designed for dynamic loads, therefore basic load rating is also called dynamic load acting on the bearing. Let us see, it is represented by capital C. Capital C is called basic load rating. Now before understanding of basic load rating, let us understand life of bearing. If we talk about life of bearing, the life of bearing is represented in terms of million revolution. Million revolution completed, right, before failure. Before failure, life of bearing is represented as million x million revolutions completed before failure. Y million revolutions completed before failure. First is L10 life. First is L10 life. L10 life is also called rated life. L10 life is also called rated life. Rated life means L10 life means 90% balls are in good condition. 90% balls are in good condition. Good condition means, and 10% balls or rollers, if it is roller bearing, then rollers are allowed to fail. Are allowed to fail. This is called L10 life or rated life. The meaning of this is the number of revolution completed, we can say number of revolution completed before failure of 10% of ball. Before failure of 10% of balls or rollers, right? This is called rated life, right? Let us consider there are 100 balls in a ball bearing or 100 rollers in a roller bearing. Now out of this 100 roller, let us say first roller failed, second roller failed, and simultaneously 10 rollers failed and 90 are safe. Then how many revolutions completed by this bearing before failure of these 10 rollers or 10 balls is called rated life, that is L10 life. The number of revolutions completed before 10% of balls failure is called rated life, right? Now again there is a L50 life. L50 life is nothing but mean life, or it is also called average life. Mean or average life. The meaning is 50% balls are in good condition, 50% balls are in good condition, and 50% balls are failed. 50% failure, 50% will be in good condition. Now my dear students, again let us understand, you have 100 rollers or 100 balls in a bearing. Then first of all, first ball will fail, second fail, third fail, then 10 ball fails while rotating. Now when 10 balls are failed, then the corresponding life is called rated life, L10 life. And after 10, 11 fail, 12 ball will fail, 13 ball will fail, and we will get 50 balls will fail. And the life corresponding to this means number of revolutions completed before failure of 50% ball is called 50 life. And definitely first 10% will fail, then 50% will fail. Therefore this average life or mean life is nothing but 5 times L10. This is a standard relation that you must remember. Average life L50 life is equal to 5 times rated life. Now the basic load rating means the load required, remember this definition, load required to produce a minimum rated life of 1 million revolution, 1 million revolutions is called basic load rating. That is C, is called basic load rating. Means if rated life L10 life is equal to rated life is equal to 1 million revolution, 1 million revolution, that is 1 into 10 to the power 6 cycles before failure of 10% balls, right? Before failure of 10% balls of total balls, if life completed or number of revolutions completed are 1 million revolution or 1 into 10 to the power 6 cycles, then corresponding load on the bearing, the corresponding load on the bearing, this W is load, is called basic load rating in Newton, right? This is called basic load rating. And my dear students, we have load life relation. Therefore, we need to understand this load life relation, and maximum questions from this topic will come from load life relation and from this rated life concepts. Therefore, the load life relation is life is equal to C divided by P raised to K. This is load life relation, where EL is nothing but rated life in million revolution. Whatever may be the revolutions completed, right, before failure. C is dynamic basic load rating. Also called dynamic load rating because it is a dynamic load, right? And corresponding to load C, the life is EL10 life is equal to 1 million revolution, right? Corresponding to load rating, the life is EL10 revolution, that is 10 to the power 6 cycles or 1 million revolutions, right? C is basic load rating, and PE, here we can say PE is equivalent load acting on the bearing, and here K is a constant, of bearing. This K is equal to 3 for ball bearing, K is equal to 3 for ball bearing, and this K is equal to 10 by 3 for roller bearing. Remember this every relation and every constant. K, which is constant, you have to remember. Therefore, relation becomes EL is equal to C by PE raised to 3 for ball bearing, and EL is equal to C divided by PE raised to 10 by 3 for roller bearing, where EL is in million revolution. It is in million revolution, which is called rated life. Now this PE, which is equivalent load, is calculated as PE, which is nothing but equivalent load, it is calculated as XVFR plus YFA into CS. This is a formula to find equivalent load. See, my dear students, whenever we are considering bearing, let us say this is a shaft. On this shaft, along axis, there is a axial load, and along radial direction, there is a radial load. Means on the same shaft, there is a axial load as well as radial load. Therefore, we have to consider equivalent of this axial and radial load, and as we are considering is a dynamic load, therefore we have to consider other factors also. We have to find resultant of FA and FR by considering dynamic condition. Now to find this resultant, we have this formula PE is equal to XVFR plus YFA into CS, where FR is radial load on the bearing. Therefore X is radial load factor. And V is, here V is called race rotation factor. V is race rotation factor. This V is equal to 1 for inner race rotating. My dear students, everything you need to remember. These are the standard values. You must remember these values. And this V becomes 1.2 for outer race rotating. In examination, in question, they will write you inner race is rotating. Therefore, we have to consider V is equal to 1. Or they will write outer race is rotating. Therefore, we have to consider 1.2. Or sometimes they will directly provide you value of V, that is race rotating factor is equal to something. Likewise, they will provide you directly value of V. Then FA is axial load. Therefore, Y is axial load factor. Y is called axial load factor, right? And CS is service factor. This CS in this formula, the CS is called service factor, which is nothing but service factor which is called as maximum load divided by average load. This is calculated as maximum load divided by average load or mean load. We can say mean load. Now average load, average or mean load, we can say it is equal to maximum load plus minimum load divided by 2, right? This is called service load. Now my dear students, in examination, this rated life, we have to consider this life is need to be considered in million revolution, but in examination many times they are providing in hours, so we need to convert into million revolution. Let us see the conversion. Therefore we have rated life is equal to C divided by PE power K, where P is equivalent load, which is nothing but X V FR plus Y FA into CS, that we have seen. Now this L is in million revolution, right? Now but in examination they will provide you life in hours. LH is life in hours. Let us say N is RPM, which is nothing but revolution per minute, which is nothing but cycles per minute, right? Now with the help of life in hour and cycles per minute, we have to find the life in million revolution. Therefore as this N is cycle per minute, therefore we can say if I multiply this N with 60, we will get cycle per hour. Therefore 60 into N is cycle per hour, and life is given LH is equal to hours. The life of bearing in hours is given LH, right? Therefore if I multiply this 60N, then I will get cycles. Therefore life will become is equal to 60N into LH. Therefore here we can say cycle per hour into hour, it will remain cycles. Therefore life is equal to 60N LH in cycles. But my dear students, in this formula the life is in million cycles. It is million cycles, right? In million revolution. Therefore for million, to find in million we have to divide with 10 to the power 6. Therefore it is 60N into LH divided by 10 to the power 6. It is million cycles, right? And this is your life. This formula, this is how we have to convert hours into million cycles. Therefore L is equal to 60N LH divided by 10 to the power 6, where L is in million cycles, N is RPM, L is hours. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see numericals on this load life relation.